Hello students, yesterday we have learnt or we have read the text of the chapter first, the three questions. Students, there was a king. We read that there was a king who wanted to know the answers of the three questions so that he may rule very well, and he found the answers of his three questions very rightly from a hermit. We have read in the text yesterday, and we did the comprehension check questions also on page 10, and today we are going to do the question answers and fill in the blank and the back exercise on the page number 14. Okay, so let's read what are the question. First is the comprehension check, and the question is complete the following sentence by adding the appropriate parts of the sentence given in the box. So we have to complete the appropriate part of the we have to complete the sentences by adding the appropriated part of the sentence from given box. Okay, so we will choose the answer from this. Okay, many wise men answered the king's question, and the option will be but their answers were so varied that the king was not satisfied. Okay, and the second sentence is someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men, and the next part of the sentence will be to help the king act at the right time. Okay, and the third question is someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable to follow it strictly. This will be the part of the third, sorry. And the fourth question is the king requested the hermit. The next part of the sentence will be to answer the three questions. Okay, and the fourth and the last question is the king washed and dressed the beard man's wound. But the next part of the sentence will be but the bleeding would not stop. Okay, I am providing you the answers in written, so let's see what are the answers. Okay students, these are the answer in written. You may notice in your copy and do this in your notebook also. Okay, so let's move to the next exercise. The next exercise is working with text. Okay, and answer the following question. The first question is why was the king advised to go to the magician? So students, we will find the answer of this question in text. Okay, so let's move to the text. Students, here is the answer on page 8. On page number 8 you can see in second para there was some things which could be urgent. These things would not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for the doing something, it is necessary to look into the future, and only magicians could do that. The king therefore would have to go to magician. This is the answer for the first question. Okay, and the second question is in the answer to the second question, whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? So the answer of this question we will find in the text also. So let's go to the text. So students, here is the answer of this question number second. On page 8 also we will find the answer in third para. In their answer to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. Others said the priest, and a few others chose the doctors, and yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. And this is the answer for the second question. Okay, so let's go to the questions. The next question is third question, and the third question is what suggestions were made in answer in the third questions. Okay, in the third question, so we will find the answer of this question in text. Okay, let's go to the text. Students, on page 8 there is the text. You will see in the text fifth para. In fifth para you can see the answer third. To the third question, some said science, others choose fighting, and yet others religious worship. So this is the answer third questions. Okay, Students, let's move to the question fourth. Did the wise man win the reward? If not, why not? So the let's search the answer in the text. Okay, let's move to the text. Students, on the page number 8, we will find the answer of the fourth question. As the answers to this question was so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. Okay, instead he decided to seek the advice for his wisdom. Okay, this is the answer for the question fourth. Okay, now let's move to the next question. The question fifth. Next question is the question fifth, and the question is, how did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? The first, uh, let's move to the text to find out the answer of this question. Okay, let's move to the text. Student, here is on page number 10, we will find the answer of the first question. The part second, in the part second, in first para and the last line of the first para, we will start the answer. The king and the hermit removed the man's clothing and found a large wound in his stomach. The king washed and covered it with his handkerchief, but the blood would not stop flowing. The king redressed the wound until at last the bleeding stopped. This is the answer for the question first. Okay, question fifth, sorry. Students, let's move to the next question, question 6. And question 6 have two parts. First one is, who was the beard man? And the answer of these two questions. And the second question is, why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? So we will find these answer in text, but we can't write the answer as it from the text. So I have prepared the answer of my own, so I will show you the answer. Okay, let's move to the answer. Students, this is the answer for the answer to this question number 6. And the first part's answer is, the beard man was enemy of the king who swore revenge on him. Okay, and the answer to the second question, part second, is sixth question, part second, is because he made up of his mind to kill the king on his way home. Okay, this is the answer to the question number 6. Now let's move to the question number 7th. The king forgave the beard man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? So students, we will find the answer in the text. So let's move to the text to find out the answer. Okay. So students, here on page number 12, we will find the answer in para third. And the third line of para third, he only revenge forgave him. He not only forgave him, but said he would send his servants and his own doctor to look after him, and he promised to give back the man his property. Okay, so this is the answer for the question 7th. Okay, let's move to the next. Students, 8th question is, what were the hermit's answer to 3 questions? Write each answer separately. Which answer do you like most and why? So student, this part from the question you will write of your own. Okay, I will only tell the answer of first and second line. Okay, what were the hermit's answer to the 3 questions, and we will write separately the answer of the 3 questions. Okay, so let's move to the answer. Students, here is on page number 13, we will find the answer of the 8th question. In third para, remember then, there is only one time that is important, and that is now. It is the most important time, because it is only time we have any power to act. This is the answer of first question. And the most necessary person is the person you are with a particular moment. This is the answer for the second question of the king. For no one knows what will happen in the future, and whatever we will meet anyone else, and the most important business is to do that person good. The answer of the third question is this, because we are sent in this world for that purpose alone. Okay, so these are the answers for the 3 questions. And You will write these question answers in your notebook. Now students, let's move to the next exercise, working with language. Okay, and match items in list A with their meanings in list B. So we will match these items to their appropriate meaning. I will provide you the answer sheet also. Okay, let's move to the answer sheet. So student, here is the answer sheet. Wounded means severely injured, and awoke means got up from sleep, and forgive means pardon, and faithful means loyal, pity means feel sorry for, beds means small patches of grounds for plants, and return means give back. Okay, these are the answers for the question match items. Okay, students, now we are moving to the next question, question 2. Question 2 is each of the following sentence has two blanks. Fill in the blank with appropriate forms of the words given in the brackets. So first question is the dash said that only fresh evidence would make him change his dash. So there is the same word judge, but there are the two forms of judge to be filled in the fill in the blanks. So I am giving you the answer sheet, I am providing you the answer sheet. So let's move to the answer sheet. Okay, so student, this is the answer sheet. First one has judge and judgment, and second one is difference and differ, and the third one is answered and answer, fourth one necessary and necessity, fifth is wisdom, and sixth is decide decision, and the seventh one is forgiveness and forgive. These are the answer for that fill in the blanks. Okay, let's move to the questions back. Okay, the next question is speaking and writing. So students, I will do this, I will make you done this exercise in our next classes. That's all for today, and have a nice day and happy learning.